If someone would have told me 5 years ago that I would find a career that not only provided for my family, but also gave me a sense of purpose, I would not have believed them. My name is Katherine Valenzuela, and I proudly work for SBHIS as a health plan specialist. Before coming to SBHIS, I worked 2 part-time jobs in the restaurant industry. That's all I had ever really known. So my days began at about 6 a.m., 6:30. I did work one morning breakfast part-time job, and I would be there till about 2 p.m. Right after I got off, I would rush over to my second job and usually work between 4 to 7:30, 4 to 9, and they were pretty hectic days, doing it 5 days a week. Sometimes I was exhausted. I just knocked out in the bed. My kids were sleeping, so I didn't even get to play with them or see them. And then the same routine would come all over again the next day. At first, you don't really feel it. Your body doesn't feel it. Your mind doesn't feel it. With time, it starts to catch up. The exhaustion.
Fast-breaking developments in the coronavirus emergency in the U.S. and around the world.
When COVID began, what may have been a hard, difficult season for many was truly a blessing for me. Not only was I able to spend 2 years with my kids, but I was there to be able to witness so many moments where my kids were transitioning from, the early stages in their life to elementary school, where they're learning their ABCs. During that season, I realized that my kids were growing. They only got one mom, and that I was only able to witness certain things in life one time. And I had missed out on a lot previously due to working 2 jobs. It was very difficult deciding not to go back into the restaurant industry in March of 2021. I began working in the restaurant industry when I was maybe about 16, 17 years old, and it's all I had ever known. At some point, the world began to start up again. Everyone started to return to their jobs, and I had a really tough decision to make. I had to figure out whether I was going to go back into the world that I knew, or if I would find something new and try to be there for my kids. So that's when I started looking for a job and exploring my options. I knew I wanted to spend more time with my kids. The weekends, the afternoons, and missing holidays wasn't working out for me. And I came across a job listing at SBHIS. I applied, and shortly I received a call from, I believe it was Elizabeth in HR. I interviewed 2 times with her and got the job in October of 2021 as a call center customer service representative. About 8 to 9 months after being a customer service representative in MHS, we were given the opportunity to be licensed agents. Now that I look back, I believe that this opportunity came at the perfect time. Not only was it a better opportunity for my family, but it was also a chance for me to grow. Knowing that I can make a difference in someone's life is something that I'll never take for granted.
Yo le platicaba a ella que yo estaba en lista en espera en la lista de un trasplante, y pues gracias a Dios, pues sí, con toda su ayuda de ella y los demás médicos y todo, me dieron el trasplante de riñón finalmente, y gracias a Dios está funcionando muy bien al 90%. Lo primero que yo pensé es darle gracias a Dios, ¿verdad? Y después de Dios, a todas las personas que me ayudaron, incluyendo Katherine, porque Katherine ha sido pues mi brazo derecho, ¿verdad? En lo que va de todo este proceso del medical, del Medicare y de mi trasplante.
For most of my life, I wasn't sure what I wanted to do. But when I started working at SBHIS, I truly feel like I found my purpose. Not only has it allowed me to be there for my children more, but I get to make a difference.